trying to gauge his left and right limits or her left and right limits. You don't know that.
Cadets from the Reserve Officers Training Corps of 5 different universities across Washington and Alaska attended a leaders conference at the University of Washington in Seattle to meet with officers and non-commissioned officers of the 17th Field Artillery Brigade. These cadets gained valuable knowledge while attending the conference.
To have officers and NCOs who have been through combat deployments tell us how to be effective leaders and then turn around and use those traits while we're in the Garrison Army is important because we never know what's going to happen next, and being prepared is the #1 trait of this Army.
The cadets were curious to find out what they would be doing once gaining their commission.
I think today was a great opportunity for the cadets to ask a lot of insightful questions to a lot of the junior officers within the battalion, specifically related to both branch specific and also scenario specific that they're going to face as platoon leaders as they enter the force.
The officers at the conference are glad they're helping the future of our Army.
So anything you can do to prepare your future leaders is right then and there shaping the way that the Army is going to be the second that they get into that position.
Army Sergeant George Higuera, Joint Base Lewis-McChord, Washington.